Initiating simulation 057. We shouldn't have spoken. In 1977, humanity launched Voyager 1. Attached to its hull was the Golden Record, a greeting to the cosmos. It contained our music, our biology, and a precise map using 14 pulsars to pinpoint the exact location of Earth. We wanted to be found. T-0. Fast forward to today. The Deep Space Network picks up a transmission. It is coming from the exact trajectory of Voyager. It is a reply. Someone found the probe. They decoded the map, and they sent a message back directly to our solar system. But it isn't a greeting. The translation software locks in. The message is short, terrified, and urgent. Be quiet. They will hear you. This is the horror of the dark forest theory. The universe isn't empty. It is a pitch-black forest full of silent apex predators. The only species that survive are the ones that hide. And we just handed a map to our house to everything lurking in the dark. We try to shut down our radio broadcasts. We plunge the Earth into silence. But it's too late. The light from our sun is already blocked by the shadow of the hunters. Simulation result. Never shout into an empty room. Simulation concluding. Subscribe to the log to survive the next one.